Hey everyone, good morning. This is Daniel from JuppLee, and today is the 13th of February 2023 at 6:14 a.m. And we're just doing a full appeal. This is where the client has asked us to do an appeal on the Google Ads account, which has been suspended for circumventing system policy. And again, it's the account 17046235596. Um, we've had a look at the website. Okay, it's a basic website, but that shouldn't penalize the client from advertising on Google. They offer one product, which is a neck pillow bag. People come onto the website. It's $34.50 right now. They add it to their cart. They pay for it, and the item is shipped by the company. So regardless of what you think of the website being basic or not, they're not circumventing the system policy. It's a new account. We don't know why it's suspended. We are about to do the appeal, so we're going to press appeal now. Just do the little robot check. And hopefully we should get an answer within 24 hours. And again, remember, guys, today is the 13th of February 2023 at 6:15 a.m. And this is for the account 17046235596. Let's see what happens once we get the results.